Hello everybody, welcome back. As you can no doubtedly tell, we are back in the woods. Quick overnighter in the Hoosier National Forest. It's early February. It is like 54 degrees right now, so it's really warm out. And I had actually originally came out here to do a little bit of a gear test. I got my pack already like a week ago. I was going to go out on the weekend and it was just had too much going on. It was going to be too busy anyway. The weather then was perfect because I was wanting to do some testing on some cold weather gear of mine. I think the low then was going to be like 15 and the high was like 25. Well, now the low is going to be 45 degrees. So I've got, well, if you can see it, I've got a giant backpack. Way too much gear. I could very, very easily run a 12-pound base weight and still be really comfortable. But I'm pulling like 25 pounds right now. I've got a lot of gear. A lot of old school equipment, some of my Coleman stove and Coleman lantern stuff and things like that. Like I said, quick overnighter. Come out here just to get out. It's been too long. It's been way too long. So hopefully you guys enjoy this. I'm gonna keep on walking here. It's not very far to the campsites. I'm just gonna use the established campsite. You can disperse camp here, but we'll get there, we'll set up camp and got some good food and we'll have a nice enjoyable night. Anyway, I'll see you guys here in just a little bit. Okay, made it. This is campsite number 2. I'm pretty sure this is the one that as a kid we used to camp at all the time. I remember this, vaguely remember it. It's been a while. It's only like 3:30 right now, but it's definitely, the clouds are getting much thicker, darker. There's a chance of rain coming up at about 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock, and definite rain tonight. So I brought 2 tarps. Probably need to get the tarp set up here soon just in case it starts raining. I might build a fire. I don't know yet. I think I'll probably build just a small fire just to have something, just because. I think this place is to ourselves. I love this place anyway because it's kind of down here in the bottom. You can hear the freaking plane, obviously. But since it's way down here on this bottom and some pretty decent hills around you, it's pretty quiet down here. It kind of shields you from road traffic or anything like that, because that's kind of hard to do in Indiana, is to get away from the road traffic. It's just very, very difficult. Anyway, get my chair out, set up the tarp just in case, and get to a little bit of relaxing. Maybe get a fire going. Alright, aside from the corners, that's pretty much the living quarters, or the bedroom, I guess. I got my other tarp. This is a 7 by 9, I think. Just another, it's Z-Packs Cuban fiber. Super lightweight. I might set it up out here somewhere if I've got enough string. I might do that. That way, just in case it starts raining, I can just set my chair in here and kind of relax in here. At least I got that now, just in case if it just starts dumping on me, I can just haul everything under there. Like I said, that's a big, big tarp, so there's plenty of space in there. Makes it kind of nice. Stayed quiet out here. Nothing. I love it out here. I don't know why. I waited 20 years to come back out here. It's great to be back out here. It definitely is. I'd forgotten how quiet it is here. At least during the week when there's no other campers here, and it's not 500 people walking through here. Dead quiet. I love it. Okay. Alright, so as you can see, I put the tarp up. I kind of got it sloping down that way. Actually, I did feel just a couple, felt like raindrops, so I got this up as quick as possible just so I could move under here, because it could rain at any moment. If it does, I'm going to bring that camera in because it's actually exposed right now. Just have to figure it out. I don't have my wide angle lens with me, so I can't, pretty limited on what I can do. It's starting to rain a little bit. So I got, as it started picking up the rain, I just started making sure I got everything done. So I got my water all filtered. Hold on a second. You're not even close to level. So, rain started picking up. So I had to move everything in here. I got my water all filtered out. And see right here. It's 5 o'clock, so it's not very late. The rain's picked up. I have a feeling that it's not going to stop. According to the weather, it was supposed to rain all night long. So I'd say we're stuck underneath the tarp for the rest of the time. No fire, whatever. No big deal. So I will probably get my lantern, get my stove and everything ready to go, because it'll start getting dark here in about an hour or so. Especially with this heavy cloud cover down here. It shouldn't take very long at all for it to get dark. And then start cooking up some dinner, and then probably just slip in there and listen to the rain, because it's picking up pretty good. So actually, I love the rain, especially when you're sleeping. That's one of the best things, is if underneath a tarp or a hammock or a tent or whatever, listen to that rain outside. If you've never listened to it underneath a Cuban fiber tarp, it's a different kind of sound. It's not the same as the silk nylons. Anyway, let's enjoy the rain for a little bit, and we'll probably cook up some food here in maybe, I don't know, half an hour or so maybe. So, not bad at all. It's coming down pretty good now. It's probably 5:30 right now. I'm gonna go ahead and just make dinner, get some food in me, and crawling underneath my tarp there and just relax. It's not gonna slow down anytime soon, so. Alright, so tonight is beefaroni. Hopefully it's a little better there. Beefaroni out. And I brought some of those freeze-dried cookie bites. So it's the edible cookie dough you can buy and then just freeze-dry it. They're really good like that. Really good, actually. Breakfast tomorrow. Yeah, Rocky Mountain Scramble, Backpacker's Pantry. This is one of the few breakfast ones that's really, really good. And then that's not water. That's gin. For my drink later. bunch of little snacks and stuff. There's the other stuff at the gym. We'll do that later. And there's the beefaroni. That's probably enough. That's a pretty healthy amount there to start off with. That one there. Lid on it. I'll let her go. I brought a Coke too, just because. It's coming down pretty good now. Kind of cramped up in here now. I've got the camera, right at the corner, as far out as it can go and still be covered. So, forgot to bring my wide angle lens, unfortunately. Ah, it smells so good already. Getting really nice and tomatoey. There's actually be quite a bit in there. Turn it down a little bit there. So, I've got a few trips planned coming up. In about a week and a half, I've taken off some time for work. I'll have 7 days off straight. I'm thinking about going up north, maybe up to northern Michigan. It's about a 12-hour drive, so I drive up there one day and drive back. I got 5 days to do kind of whatever I want. I've always wanted to go to Porcupine Mountains and maybe do some winter hiking up there. I don't know. It looks like there's maybe at least a foot of snow right now, so got that. Got a mushroom hunting trip coming up in May. Probably won't record on that one. That's kind of a private with my brother and some friends. And so that one probably won't get recorded. Try to do some stuff in the summertime too. My big one, Boundary Waters. Looking like I might have upwards of 18 days to go. Well, actually 21 days total for travel time. So I'm kind of looking into doing a pretty long trip. Logistically, I'm not sure yet how to do it exactly because, yeah, 18 days worth of food, 18 days worth of battery power for the camera. It's going to be tough. Probably going to be a lot less recording. I'm getting, hopefully I get a little better at this recording thing, and I don't have so much crap video extra where I have to keep retaking shots and stuff. We'll see. But yeah, maybe upwards of 18 days. That would be pretty sweet to spend that much time. Try these bad boys out. They're good. They taste just like cookie dough. Really good. Did bring a bunch of freeze-dried fruit too. So good. Alright. Use this as a little bit of a heat pad because that thing's hot. Where's my spoon at? There it is. You guys have seen, if you watched my last video, you've seen what this looks like, so I'm not going to show you, but it comes out, the freeze-dried version comes out real tomatoey. It's good. The dehydrated version of this, it works really well too. It's just not tomatoey. It's just kind of a bit more watery, I guess. Still tastes really good, but this is just so much better. Good job. That's what I like about this too, is you can make it how you want to. Those freeze-dried meals are nice and all, but You're stuck with whatever the manufacturer puts in them, and whatever they, the spices they like, the ingredients. Whereas you can make your own like this. Even if it's just dehydrated, you can still make whatever you want. So, I'm going to finish eating this. Hopefully you can hear me. It's getting even noisier. It's coming down really good. I'm going to finish eating this, clean up a little bit, and then we'll just retreat into the tarp there, get on the bed, and kind of relax. So, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hot. So good. We have officially retired into the bedroom. I think it's time to make a little nightcap. This one's pretty simple. It's got your gin. I'm gonna pour that in there. Yeah, let's use it all. It's gonna be a strong drink. Tea bag and some of that instant lemonade. I like the Country Time lemonade. It's got sugar and everything in it already. What I typically do is go ahead and put tea bag in there. Kind of let it steep in the gin. So it starts releasing that flavor. Okay. So it's kind of been steeping in there for just a little bit. Or not steeping, but I've been swirling it around so it mixes up real good. I'll go ahead and add in my lemonade. Probably wouldn't do the lemonade inside your tent like this because the powder gets everywhere. Or could. And that's pretty strong stuff, so. But there are no critters right now. Not around here. So I put my lemonade in there. What I'm going to do is just top it all up with water. You need quite a bit too. I mean, you're actually supposed to have like 16 ounces of water for that one little bit of lemonade. We ain't getting there, so. Stir it all up. The good thing about this too is you can't really get super cold out here in the backcountry. Still tastes pretty good. Alright, let's give it a try. That's pretty good. There we go. It's in there. You can definitely taste it. Let's sit there and enjoy this. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Oh yeah. That's not bad right there. I tell you what, this cot is comfortable, especially when you put a sleeping pad on top of it. It's nice. But anyway, I will see you guys in the morning. Hopefully it's not raining when I'm leaving. Good night. Ooh. Morning. As you can likely hear, the wind's blowing pretty hard out there right now. Of course. It rained all night long. It's actually been raining off and on this morning too. I'm sure it's going to happen again here in a little bit, but yeah, it started at like, 6 o'clock last night, maybe 6:30 when I got inside the tarp here, and it just kept getting stronger and stronger. It was raining hard until about maybe 2 a.m. I remember waking up, it stopped for a little while, and then it just started picking back up again. And it's kind of been off and on now this morning, so we got a lot of rain. I slept pretty good. I actually slept real good for a while there. I've been on this cot for so long that my back's starting to get a little bit sore too, though. I don't want to get out of this bed now. I do and I don't. All right. Okay. Yeah, schmutz. That's good. That's what I need my breakfast. I think it's sprinkling a little bit. It's hard to tell. It may just be water coming off the trees too. You never know. But I need some breakfast anyways. Oh yeah, and that's really raining again, of course. Perfect timing. So now, once I get the water in here, get this going, it's done. I can pack up while it's raining. So, let that guy sit for a while. And then I'll start packing up inside. It's not raining too bad right now. I'd like to get this whole thing broke down. If I get all this broke down, where I'm just underneath this tarp right here, one right there, then I think we'll be doing pretty good. I think that's my cue to get out of here. The wind's swaying, the tree's swaying that much, yeah. I'm just gonna finish this up real quick, and then I'm gonna pack up and get out of here. I don't know how much more I'll film until I get back to the truck, but we'll see. I'll see you guys when I can. Go. So I was going to do some cool approach shot to my truck, and while filming it, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a tree over here that fell down. Or the top half of it fell. So see if I can zoom into it. Sorry about the crap image quality. I think it's fogging over, but you can kind of see the top half of it there. Nice. At least it didn't follow me or the camera in my truck. So. Alright, well, we'll forego that approach shot to the truck. Let's get inside the truck and we'll finish it out. It's awful windy out here. Okay, so I'm back at the truck. So I hustled getting all my crap in the backpack over. It's back there. And I just shoved it in there because it was raining and windy. I huffed it, you know, just non-stop as fast as I could. I'm sweating real good right now because I didn't want to get rained on. As soon as I got in the truck, sun's shining. It's 53 degrees right now. Feels really good, which is kind of odd. It's still early February, so it is definitely exceptionally warm. But anyway, I'm gonna head home, edit this video up, drink a couple beers. I think I should probably drink some water too. I'm pretty thirsty, and relax a little bit. My next trip is probably a week and a half from now. I'm gonna go up to Michigan, I think, for a few days. So definitely see what's, have some video for that. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet, what kind of camping, but we'll do something. Again, I do appreciate everyone that's liked and subscribed. I have like 20 subscribers right now, and that's just kind of pathetically cool. I like it. I think it's really cool. I do appreciate when you like the videos. Also, if you have any input, especially with video or audio, please, I can take the comments. I could use any help. I suck at video. I suck at audio. I'm trying to learn how to do this right now. So anyway, I'm going to go home, so I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.